How to change Discord background on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change Discord background on your mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Discord. After you open up your Discord, make sure that you're logged in into your account. And yeah, you'll also need to be on the latest version of Discord. So update it beforehand. And after you do that, be on this page right here where you can see all of your servers. Then tap on U option on the bottom right. After you do that, head over to the settings icon that is on the top right corner. Now, after you're here, there you'll find an option. If you scroll down, there you'll find an option called Appearance. It's under the app settings. Tap on Appearance. After you choose the appearance, you will see the theme option. Tap on theme, and there you'll find a lot of different themes available. And this is messages section, which will basically show you what it will look like. So here you can see midnight, you can see automatic, and you can see other options as well, which is available for Nitro users. So if you're a Nitro users, you'll have a lot of variety of options for the background on your Discord. And yeah, this is basically how you can change that. So let me just change it to midnight here. Tap on select and go back. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.